Coming from the security area, you'll see the top of a pillar has musical symbols on it, and then this Greek writing here, I think at the end, just Greek secular, and then you see also this Greek pictures. Right here we find actually a pillar with crosses on both sides, and this cross on the left side, cross on the right. It would be the top of a entryway with a pillar coming through. After this, actually, we see another one over there by the red pole, where that also is a cross on top of a entryway or inside a church. Here we see an old Byzantine grave thing. Sorry. You see here a Byzantine grave, and different places you can see on that. And you see the cross here on this side. So this is definitely a Byzantine site. It's also outside the Archeological Museum. This actually grave here is very interesting because one is it has a cross that was taken out. You can see the 4 holes where a cross was there before, but on the other side you actually see that the symbol that is on this side actually is a Constantine, where you have the cross with the hearts in between on this. So this is a very old grave. Almost every emperor except for one was cast out of his grave, and so you see a lot of empty graves sitting around today.